Well, here we are, the week of March 19th. We're back to way too much snow for my taste, but it is what it is. There's the chicken pen, all covered with snow again, and the back garden. My studio, there is a bench underneath all that snow there, and the pathway to my studio. Here we are at the front porch of my studio. This is the side yard where up there I wanted to plant my roses, and it's all covered with snow again, so I have to wait. We are supposed to get rain this week, which will help melt this off, and it's fairly warm today, so it's starting to melt down. But the roses I wanted to plant, I will now put into big pots until the weather settles down and I know for sure I can get them in the ground safely. This is the front. So again, here's my back garden. So here is my greenhouse. I had started in cleaning it up, but then we had some things happen that took my time and I couldn't get the rest of it. But there's a gap in the roof of my greenhouse where the panel busted through from a snow bomb. That's a big blob of snow that comes down out of the tall trees, and it punched through. So now I need to really get a new roof on this. And I have planted up some dahlias in pots, and I did a video on planting them up, and I'm going to, when this gets some leaves on it, I will take cuttings. Now I'm hoping, we got pretty cold the night before last, and it was like down to 27, and it was super cold even in this greenhouse. So I'm hoping they did not sustain any great damage. I had taken the ones also that were in my basement. I had stored them over the winter, and I put them in pots. Now here is a seed starting. Some seedlings back there. I've got them under the lights, and this right here is a heat mat that I got new this year.